Hi young coders! Get ready to take control with Menu L208 on your Schogini Toys DIY Kit. This activity is all about mastering the joystick as your new favorite input device. Ready to count like a pro? Let's go! Before you start, check out our menu navigation video to navigate like a champ. Let's begin. Press the joystick to wake up your app. A handy help message will pop up, but if you're eager to start, just press left to skip. Move the joystick down to bump up the numbers and up to bring them down. It's counting made fun. Ready to wrap up? A quick flick to the left and you're back to the main menu. Behind the scenes, curious about how it works? Python coding is our secret sauce, and we're sharing the recipe. Dive deeper, peek at the code, then jump onto our simulator to practice on your laptop. Need a guide? Our AI Chatbot is your friendly coding companion, ready to help. Join the coding adventure. All the tools for your coding journey are waiting at http://schoginitoys.com. Let's code our way to becoming Python masters together. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY Kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.